Hi, I'm Andrew Easler, Managing Attorney at Easler Law. Today, we're going over your most pressing legal questions. Today's legal question is, what are pre-incorporation agreements? Pre-incorporation agreements are contracts that are intended to bind an organization before the entity itself is formed. However, there are significant risks to pre-incorporation agreements, including that number one, the promoter, the person entering into the contract on behalf of the prospective entity, is personally liable for the obligations incurred on behalf of the entity until and unless the entity, once formed, acknowledges the contract, and until and unless the other contracting party and the entity release the promoter from liability. And two, the entity itself may never be formed, it may decide later not to acknowledge the debt, and the contracting party may decide not to release the promoter from liability. It is critically important to discuss your options with an attorney before executing any pre-incorporation agreements to be aware of the risks involved. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.